In Calcutta, it's the coexistence of the old and new, the juxtaposition, which is what we have tried doing in here. Abha, for us in Bengali, because this is Kolkata, it's first rays of the morning sun, and it's also like a new beginning. Hi, I'm Amrita Guha.
Hi, I'm Joya Nandudikar from Untitled Design Consultant. Today, me and Amrita, we are going to talk about Abha, residence in Kolkata, very close to our heart.
For detailed chapter and PDF ebook, please visit buildofy.com. The link is in the description. The carpet area is about 7,000 square feet. Since we came in the project, the basic civil structure was done. A fair bit of material was already procured in terms of stone. We wanted a method to the madness. In this particular project, we wanted it to be a quiet luxury.
So if we look at the layout, the best part is that the location of Victoria is here. There is Maidan. The Ganges is visible in almost from all this part.
So this is the lift lobby, and the minute you step out, you face Partho Das Gupta's stunning ceramic horses, which we procured from Imami. As we walk into the entrance lobby, we have these beautifully detailed doors, which are in two different colors of solid wood, oak wood. It has a detailing of brass. We have shoe racks on both the sides, beautiful marquetry detail done in 3 types of veneer, and the same detailing has been a part of the handle of this Art Deco inspired taller space, which is also meant for shoes. This is antique brass detailing, which is done by Buildcraft, and here we have 2 gorgeous pieces by Revati Sharma Singh. So the flooring is again an Art Deco inspiration, and if you look at the details, it's very Kolkata centric, inspired from the beautiful barandas, we used to call them. So the minute one enters through the main door, what you see right in front is this very large stone mural. It's done by Odyssey. It has the padukas or khadao, which are done in silver and brass, blessed by the Guruji. And what you see here are the scriptures of Jainism, which has been engraved on the rock.
Then comes the living room. If the layout is seen, we've planned the layout which is focusing outward. So there are 2 group seating. One group seating is focusing towards the outside view, and another seating is basically internalizing the space. This is a set of coffee table. The theme of the table is 5 elements of life. Each table depicts one element. There is element of water, element of air, space, fire, earth. Various kind of semi-precious stones are used here. For the fire, we've used coral, we've used red jasper. For the water, we've used lapis lazuli with white. The rest of the tables are in pencil and white marble. I would want to specify one very important piece which has been specially designed for this space, which is almost in the center of this wall, and a craft called Sanji, which is done by just one family in Mathura. So Sanji is traditionally done in rice paper. Here if you see, because the palette here is maximalist, so hence we've used gilding on top of the rice paper, and the Sanji is pressed between 2 glasses. This piece, I'm sure everybody knows, that's Raza. This extensive wall is in white and grey. The white is Indian stone, which is rustic. There is a very interesting furniture piece here which is live edge Indian rosewood, which is also called shisham, complemented with Kumarasan Salvaraja's artwork. This door is the entry for the master bedroom. The dining also has a nice bird's eye view towards the monument. The first layer of the dining room is the same which is going through the entire house, which is the grey tiles, cement tiles, along with that oak paneling. The second layer is the addition of some opulent materials like aventurine on the table, the embedded beaded brass pattern shutters on dining, a frosted antique mirror at the top, and an artist, Tonmoy Samunto's work, who's from Shanti Niketan, which is behind at the back. There is a very interesting decorative light by designer Brand Van Egmont.
So the corridor has very warm wood panel, which is primarily oak veneer, interspersed with some brass detail. The paneling can be quite deceptive. So this is actually a storeroom, but when it is shut, you really can't figure out. Here what we have is a hidden door that actually hides the elevator here. This is a door which opens into the family lounge, one which opens into the powder room and opens into the private space for the children.
There is a sitting room with the daughter's room. The den has a wonderful extension of the balcony which looks out to the city. The daughter's room, the bed is planned almost as an island in the center of the space because it's a big bedroom, and we've planned a study behind so that it screens off the front space, and the bed is nearer to the window to get a good view. Detailing which has been done, whether it's washrooms, the kind of stonework which has been done, or the flooring outside, the team is local. They are from Kolkata.
Abha for me is deeply personal, and we have tried to create a timeless design. And we feel very strongly that our intent is always creating homes wherein it's an artful balance of form, function and richly layered details.
We wanted to have a place where we come back and we have a good time here. And we really enjoy spending time at home now.
For me, it would be sofa in my bedroom from where I can have a view outside. I just like to laze around there, read my book and just be there and feel happy while looking outside.
For me, it's the chair in my den area. You can watch the television and you swirl and you can see outside and you see the river and you see the greenery which we put. So it just gives me a great sense of space.